presentation topic conversation. So like that we started. Mommy, may I go to outside? No, you may not. Mommy, may I go? What? May I go? Washroom? Yes, you may. Daddy, may I go outside? No, you may not. Daddy, may I go washroom? Yes, you may. Well, what about my presentation? Later I will be back with another fantastic presentation. Till then, love you and leave you.